we have a positive, right? So upwards facing parabola, because this number is positive here. So the minimum is going to happen at the vertex, right? If you graph it, it's going to look something like this, where it just continues shooting upwards like so. So the minimum value, or the minimum cost here, is going to be then 100. Right? So just the minimum cost to maintaining the crane is going to be, or in this case, C is going to be 100, right? And this is in hundreds, right? So this is $100,000 total. Okay, and as for B, right, the number of hours the crane operates for this minimum maintenance cost is then the corresponding X value, which is 3. Okay, so that means X has to be 3. So then time is going to be 3, and the time is in hours. So it takes 3 hours. Okay, so for C, right, find the cost if the crane sits idle. So this happens when nobody's working on the crane. So that means the time is equal to 0. Right, but notice that if I plug in t is equal to 0 for this equation, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, so we're left with 154. So then the cost is 154, right? And this is in hundreds of dollars.